Hello everyone and welcome back to our coding channel. In today's video we have an exciting topic lineup anagram checking in TypeScript. Anagram are fantastic concept in the world of programming. Today video will know how anagram is work and how we are going to solve it, and we also know a little bit about this anagram problem. So let's jump it. If you see my screen, then you can see that we already opened 242 number valid anagram code problem, and here I have a description like give twisting s and t and return true if t is anagram and anagram of s, and return false otherwise. Always when you are going to solve a LeetCode problem, then at first you have to read the question properly and try to understand what actually question have meanings, or what question actually try to make sense. Then we also read example. Here I have example like example 1 is input s and input t. Input s has anagram and input t has nagaram. If we compare these two on as anagram function, then it will be written true, because when we will solve this program, you will know. Right now I can give you little concept by image. There is a image example is notes and stone. You can see that notes have total 5 character and stone have total 5 character, and all of those uh, 5 character from notes can exist and stone. That's why these two words are anagram. So what you understand, that anagram word, two word s and t, we getting input from this function, and those two word must be same character. Example 2 had red and car, and a r have both same, but t and c are different, so that means it's not anagram word. Let's jump to the code. I already write this code for make this video faster. The function is name is anagram, and it's take two string parameter s and t. It return a boolean value true if s and t are anagram, other is false. Initially we are checking s and t both length is same or not. If these two variable length are not same, then we are returning false, because anagram, if these two variable must be anagram, then those two variable length must be same. Then we initialization a object variable name character, and we declare type like key string and value number. This character object we will use to count anagram character. Then we throw a loop, a string loop, and we start loop for loop from maximum to 0 to s length. Then at first we are checking if character count as 1, as like if you can s1 a here left side, you can check it, it's a is already exists on character count. Now obviously first time it will be not, then it will give assign 0, and s1 will be incremented. If it's have already, then it will not going to assign 0. Same, we are also try to check character count t and index I is have, then it's assign. Sorry, it's don't have, then it assign 0. If it's have, then it's only just decremented. After complete this loop, we finally going to check its anagram or not, because we already have all of those string character with this character count. Now we just run a for in loop and we get all of those key and check key value. This key value, if it's not 0, then obviously it's return false, because if those string are anagram, then we first time we are going to make if it's have then +1, then when it's going to get back from t, we making it decremented. So always it will be 0 if have s and t equal number of same character. Okay, we are going to run this code and let's check. Nice, we beat by submitting the solution 71% and 52% memory. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more programming concept. Happy coding.